Here's a special case we want to solve by graphing. We have y plus 2x equals 3 and 4x equals 2 minus 2y. And it's a special case because there's no solution. So I'll tell you that right up front. But I'll show you how you can see that this is the case. So let's go ahead and graph these, or at least start to here. Let's put this top one into y equals mx plus b form, also known as slope-intercept form, by subtracting 2x off of each side. That gives us y equals negative 2x plus 3. Okay, so we have a slope of negative 2. I'm going to write that as negative 2 over 1. We have our y-intercept here of 3. So 1, 2, 3, there's our y-intercept. And our slope is negative 2. So we go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, and so on. Connect the dots to get our line, like so. Now let's look at the other line here. We have 4x equals 2 minus 2y, so let's solve this thing for y. Again, we're getting it into slope-intercept form here. So let's see, I'll subtract the 2 off from both sides. That gives me, I'm going to change the way it's written here. So we have negative 2y equals 4x minus 2. And then divide both sides by negative 2. Right, we got to divide all three of these, or both of these terms here on the right by negative 2 to get y equals negative 2x plus 1. And maybe we see something is amiss right here, right? Because these have the same slope, negative 2, but different y-intercepts. And there's only one way that two lines can have the same slope but different y-intercepts, and that's if they are parallel. So let's go ahead and graph this out. We have a y-intercept now of 1, and then we go down 2 over 1, same thing, down 2 over 1, and connect the dots to get our line. And sure enough, those lines are parallel. Now, the solution only occurs where the two lines cross, and parallel lines, at least in this context, don't ever cross. So our answer to this system of equations is indeed no solution, which we can write the words no solution. We can also draw the empty set. Right? That's a good way of answering it. That's the set with nothing in it. So our set of solutions is empty, so we write the empty set for our answer.